All right, let's bring in meteorologist Kristi Gordon now with a look at our weather forecast. Beautiful day out there today, Kristi. A little bit of a change coming this weekend?
Yeah, so we're still talking about showers for the weekend, Sophie, but there's some uncertainty around that, and I'm going to describe that for you. But first of all, yeah, beautiful conditions out there today. We warmed up to 20 degrees away from the water. Still some instability. You can see that popping up in the afternoon. We're expecting that again in the interior tomorrow, not for the South Coast area. So pushing it into the afternoon hours tomorrow. Sunshine in the morning, but then increasing cloud in the afternoon, and you can see these isolated showers that will pop up once again. The big question, though, is this system here, which makes its way towards the coast tomorrow. Metro Vancouver will be dry, although we'll see cloudy skies, and we are expecting rainfall on the outer coast of Vancouver Island, but this system is actually going to drop down and away. It's really just grazing the South Coast area. It's because of this upper level low. Look at the track of it. It makes its way further south. So for rainfall on Saturday, that's the question mark. Right now, it does look like we are going to get a few showers from that system, but we're going to refine that for you tomorrow. So be prepared for rain, and if we don't get any on Saturday or just very little, that would be a bonus. We are expecting rainfall, though, on Sunday. In the meantime, tomorrow, dry conditions. We will see cloud cover in the afternoon, and it will be mild, so highs of 19 degrees. Similar warmth to what we saw today, but certainly cooler over the weekend, and as we talked about with that chance of rainfall. Sophie, back to you.
All right, thanks, Kristi.
We had a live shot at the beach earlier in the news hour.
Yeah.
It looks so good. Things are starting to turn around a little bit.
And then we're going to go back in the other direction tomorrow,
Yeah.
Chris. We had our dose of sunshine today, and certainly over the last 2 days. So yeah, beautiful conditions. We warmed up to 20, 21 degrees away from the water, and it is going to be warm again tomorrow, but we're certainly going to see a change. So I want to point out the fact that we had a few isolated showers across the interior regions today, and we're expecting that again tomorrow. Here's a quick look at tomorrow. So those pop-up showers in the interior are very isolated, but this is the next system that's driving onto the coast. So for our region, we're going to see increasing cloud. It should be dry throughout the day, but certainly increasing cloud. And it looks like this system is going to move on shore, but it's a little tricky, this one. This is actually an upper level low that the trajectory is actually, now that it's made its way to the coast, it's going to just graze the region. It's going to drop to the south. And that's one of the reasons why the forecast for Saturday is still a little uncertain, is because all it has to do is move a little bit further north and it brings in more moisture. But here's a look at what this computer model is showing us. Yes, rainfall across the outer coast. This is again Friday evening, but taking us into Saturday, it makes its way in, but then slowly drops to the south. So we'll see a few showers across our region on Saturday, but at this point, it's really only about a 40% chance. Otherwise, we'll see mainly cloudy skies, but we'll have to refine that for you tomorrow. We'll have a better idea of the trajectory of that system. In the meantime, tomorrow's looking really nice. Warm, again, isolated shower in the interior, but otherwise for the south coast, it really is just the outer coast of Vancouver Island that we'll see that rainfall. And for our region, we'll see increasing cloud, 19 to 20 degrees, nice and mild, cooler over the weekend. And again, that sort of certain forecast for Saturday. And at this point, it does look like we'll see a few showers on Sunday, but certainly not a total soaker this weekend, that's for sure. All right, tonight's Central Windows weather window coming to you from Pemberton. Aga, I hope I said your name correctly. I'm so glad that you sent in a photo. I don't think I remember ever sharing a photo from Pemberton before. And there's the two tulips just right in the middle there. I love that. Tulips.
Can you tiptoe through only two tulips, or?
It'd be difficult. It'd be difficult. That's a beautiful shot, though. Thanks, Kristi.
All right, Squire is here now. Game 6 coming up tomorrow.
Yep, it is. And the Canucks, of course, are in Nashville, have been since yesterday.